In this video, I am going to talk about the Organization of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OPEC. It is a regional intergovernmental organization established by an agreement signed in Beirut, that is the capital of Lebanon, on 9th January 1968 by Kuwait, Libya, and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It means that these three countries were the founding member countries. Its headquarters is in Kuwait. The initial and the main objective of the organization was to separate the production and sale of oil from politics in the wake of the half-hearted 1967 oil embargo in response to the Six-Day War that was fought between Arab countries and Israel. As of December 2020, there were total 11 member countries that includes Algeria, Bahrain, Egypt, Iraq, Kuwait, Libya, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Syria, and the UAE. So, due to a peace treaty with Israel, Egypt's membership was suspended in 1979, but it was readmitted in 1989. Tunisia ceased to be a member in 1987. So there are various objectives of the organization. The principal objective of the organization is the cooperation of the members in various forms of economic activities in the petroleum industry, and the realization of the closest ties among them in this field, especially the petrochemical fields, the determination of ways and means of safeguarding the legitimate interest of its members in the industry, individually and collectively. Whereas there were another objective, that is the unification of efforts to ensure the flow of petroleum to its consumption market on equitable and reasonable terms, and the creation of suitable climate for capital and expertise invested in petroleum industry in the member countries. OPEC also sponsors various joint ventures for its member countries to promote the effective use of resources and economic integration of Arab countries. In a nutshell, we can say that it is a developmental institution that is only to support the Arab petroleum industries. If we see the organizational structure of the OPEC structure is composed of three important components, that is Ministerial Council, General Secretariat, and Judicial Tribunal. The Ministerial Council is managed by Council of Ministers, which is responsible for general policies, activities, and the governance. The Council grants the membership to applying countries and approve the invitation to meetings that are extended to petroleum exporting countries. The chairmanship of the OPEC rotates annually, and its meeting occurs twice a year. And there are various impact and influence of the OPEC, and that is the positive impact of the OPEC on member countries. So according to the Gulf News, although momentum is not at the pace as it was 30 years ago, OPEC has had a considerable positive influence on the Arab oil and gas industries since its beginning and inception. Arab energy and oil consumption has increased 15 and 10 folds respectively, and oil reserves had increased 710 billion barrels in 2016 from less than half that number in 1980. In addition, we can say that gas reserve grow from 15 to 53 trillion cubic meters, and Arab petrochemical production have now exceeded 150 million a year. So that shows that the OPEC have a very positive and fruitful impact on the member countries. So that is why this organization plays a very important role in the economic development, especially the oil petroleum industry of the member countries. So that was the OPEC country that deals with the oil petroleum countries, oil petroleum exporting countries, especially the petrochemical industry. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.